Hi folks, Alex with LaserMax. We're here to talk about how to mount your enclosed red dot sight onto a pistol. The unit will come with two mounts, a Glock MOS plate and an RMR plate. Before we mount it, we want to make sure that the firearm is safe to handle, make sure it's completely unloaded. We'll grab the base plate and install it onto the pistol. There's two screws that you mount into the slide. And what you want to do is make sure that you torque it to the right force. Make sure you don't damage anything on the slide or on the base plate. Once you have that, we will mount the enclosed red dot sight. You want to make sure you open the mount to let it fall into place correctly. And then again, torque this to the correct setting. And there you go. The unit's ready to go.